Part of YCD values or our mission really is to make sure that we break the cycle of poverty. And so that's something that's really important to our organization. And so partnering with the PUC and them having this community benefits program to give back to the community and offer, high-level internships is something that's really meaningful to us. And just over the 10 years of the program, we've seen people come through, these amazing students come through. They go off to college and we follow them all the way through. They get really great high-level internship experience and graduate and come back, and we're able to assist them in an entry-level career of their choice, whatever it is that they're interested in. But it just means that we're giving back to the community and really putting people on the right path for financial freedom, really.
What CityWorks is kind of like an internship with an internship. So you kind of intern for CityWorks and you do stuff within the cohort, a corporation or a company that interests you and your major. So for me, I chose Hazen & Sawyer, a waste management company, and they actually introduced me to a branch of different engineerings that I never knew or heard of. And I thought it was really cool. And my experience there was definitely something to be fond of.
This is like one of the coolest parts of the internship and what I love, just being able to have this relationship with the students over the years and see their growth.
It was important for me to apply just because just ever since I was young, I've always been really driven to be involved. As soon as I was able to work, I've always just been driven to keep myself busy. So this is an opportunity for me to learn and also make some money in the summer, so I took full advantage of it. In my internship, every week they had like really important people in the company come and have lunch with us. We got an opportunity to have like one-on-one conversations with them and them telling us about their whole experience, like from youth to where they're at and their road to success, so it was really eye-opening.
Our hopes is that they get their foot in the door, get the exposure that they need and the experience that they need to either put it on their resume to then go out and apply for more jobs, or really to get in there and impress the company or organization that they're working with. And so at the end of the year of their fellowship placement, maybe that site will want to actually just hire them on full time. And so that's really the goal of the program.
I feel deeply rooted and indebted to YCD because they have been 100% supportive of every step of my journey, whether it be like an interest change or a career change. They have always equipped me with tools and connections to succeed. So whether I wanted to do something that was completely different from what I wanted to do last year, they still supported me.
Just thinking about the future excites me, and I kind of want to have an impact on like something that's bigger than me, and I want to help change the world.
I've actually recommended this program to so many other youth that I came in contact with throughout the neighborhood, people that I know, because this is an awesome opportunity.
So impact to us, to YCD, is really seeing the success of the interns who have come through the program. So success to us is ensuring that our community has what they need. So giving them exposure to careers and trying to change just the career field in general. So making sure that, careers that don't typically have people of color or women in those positions, that we're making sure that that happens for the future.